Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader. I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Friday, March the 1st, 2019. Well, let's take a look and see how these markets finished out the day and the week. And we'll go ahead and start off with the Qs. And you see here we have a nice, a bottoming tail on here. We had a wild ride. We started with the gap up this morning. So we started up here. Even in the pre-market, we came back, and if you look, it's almost perfect testing the close of yesterday. So we came down here 1, 2, 3 times in the pre-market, and then after we opened, we came down and we retested that one more time. Then we pretty much came up for most of the day. A little bit of consolidation here right at the end. So we closed near highs, so that was very, very nice. After we get done looking at the daily ride, we're going to go ahead and bring in the Thinkorswim platform and look at the weekly candles to see how the week closed out as well. Now, if we take a look at the diamonds, you can see technically it's showing up as a red candle, but we had this big gap up, and the same thing with this one. If you look here where we closed, we came back and we retested that 3 different times, 2 in the pre-market and once after it opened, but it came down, and the bull stepped back in and they brought it back. But with this one, we only brought it back about halfway, but still closed up for the day. So that's how your diamonds look. Let's go ahead and take a look at the spiders, see how they're looking today. And diamonds or the spiders are looking a lot like what the Qs did there. And we had that big gap up to start the day out. We came down, and if you look here, we tested 3 times in the pre-market, the exact area, and then in the live market during normal trading hours, we almost came down to it, came back up, and then we closed near highs. So that's how your daily candle looked. Let's look here too. The relative volume here, you can see we had above average volume. You can see here, on the volume candles, how they're looking. I'll go back through the other 2 real fast, and you can see that one, and you can see the Qs there. So it was a fairly active day. A little bit of a wild ride is what we are getting used to. Now let's go ahead and look at the Thinkorswim platform here. Here on the left side, we have the 5 days of the week here, and over here we have the weekly candles. So let's start with the Qs here and figure out what we can see going on here. And you can see here we went from the highs here. I mean, look at the spread we had during the week. Quite a spread there. Quite a wild ride. Look at today's. Looking at the daily candle there. But nonetheless, we're continuing this trek up. We had a green for the week, so we have yet another week headed towards the upside. So looking quite bullish there, even though it was a little bit of a rough week there. Now we're going to go ahead and look at the diamonds. Same thing here, a little bit of a ride during the week, but if you look here, we still have that going. Now if you look real close, we just closed above last week, so the diamonds aren't near as strong as the other 2, the Qs and the spiders, but nonetheless it's still a green week. So a lot is going to depend on what happens next week, and of course we could say that every day about every stock, but very, very true here. And same thing here, looking at the spiders, the big volatility, from the day-to-day candles. A lot of, look at the tails on here, so you can see how volatile it was here. But here we go again. We are definitely closed in the green. So another green week. So let's see what next week brings for us. But all in all, we'd have to say it was the bulls in charge for this week. Now let's go ahead and jump over to Holly real fast. See how she did. Holly Grill had 11 trades. $1.97 profit. So Holly Grill did very, very well. And on the risk on profit, $1.45. Let's see what went into that. We had a couple of trades here with the target hit. Look at that. We have 2 of them hit the target, $1, and she got out. We had V. which is Visa, and you can see she got in it here. She got out, up here, hit the target, then it pulled back a little bit after that, and 80 cents was the risk-on profit, and ZGNX hit the target, got in it here, hit the target right away, went up a little bit more, but then it pulled back. Had you held till the end of the day, 89 cents. If we flip it, I think the 89 cents was the best one. Yeah, so just turn them around for the risk on best of the day. Holly 2.0, 5 trades, lost 17 cents, but the risk on profit was 73 cents. And if we take a look at that, we see CLH was her best trade there, just 12 cents profit, but had 87 cents was the risk on profit, and that was the best in both categories. And now if we take a look at Holly Neo, we had 7 trades, lost $1.20. Her risk on profit was a loss of 52 cents. And if we look at this, nothing in the money on the risk off. And on the risk on, her best trade was just 11 cents. So nothing to really look at there. Let's go ahead and bring our spreadsheet in here and see how the how we look overall to finish the week out. On Friday, though, we had 23 trades, a profit of 60 cents. $1.66 was the risk on profit. $147 total trades for the week. 10.18 was the profit. 10.14 was the risk on profit. So that's your artificial intelligence Holly and market update for Friday, March the 1st, 2019. Thank you again for watching today, and now I'm going to take you to my blog. It's this bit.ly link right here, and if you click it, you're going to see it takes you to my blog, which is right here. And in here, as I am an affiliate with Trade Ideas, I've been trading now actually for only 3 years, and I got into trading, and as I saw what it could do, I just think that everybody should be doing some type of trading, whether it's investing, whether it's day trading, whether it's swing trading. There's just such an opportunity here, and I just want to share that and get more people involved. Of course, I believe in the Trade Ideas scanning software. It is tremendous to use. And we do offer several free things. The first thing is our trade of the week, okay? And, with the trade of the week, every Monday you will get that emailed to you. All you have to do is if you go into this blog, if you click this, it'll take you to the link. You put your email address in there, and you get a new trade idea every Monday in your inbox. It's intended as a swing trade. It's selected by professional long-time traders. You get entry, exit, and target prices, and we'll show you how we identified the trade of the week, why we believe it'll perform well based on the chart, the technical conditions that are in place for the stock at this time, and how you can find more trades like the trade of the week on your own. So sign up now. Another thing that we offer absolutely free is our trading room hosted by Barry Einerson, okay? And, if you just click this link right here, you can join. You do need to set up a username and a password, but it is totally free. Barry calls out his trades. He also goes over how some of the scans work and how you set them up and how you can adapt them to your way of trading. It is a very, very good room to be in, so give that a shot. Next thing we have that's totally free is this ebook that our guys put together, 5 Ways to Win in a Post-BTFD Market. And so, once again, if you just click here, you put in your email address, you download it, and, you can add trading the short side to your list of things you have in your arsenal. So it's good to do that. And then we have our free webinars, and you can watch our archives if you go to this link. We have a webinar every Monday through Friday, 5 p.m. Eastern, and we go over, a market analysis and, a lot of times how Holly did. Each day kind of has a different theme, so, but it's just more knowledge. It's more free stuff. You get ideas, and you learn. So, you need to be always learning. I don't care if you've been in this market for a day or for 50 years. There's always something else you can learn learn a new trade, a setup, or what's working for other people. And lastly, if you see the many benefits and you like what you see, give us a try. We have our standard plan, our premium plan. You can try it by the month or by the year. And I even have here, if you use Bullseye 15, I can save you 15% off your first month or your first year. So I hope you take advantage of some of the free stuff and maybe someday join us as a member of Trade Ideas as well. And hey, I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.